What's up, guys? Today I'm here with Ryan Ruebl from Wisconsin.
Hello. Silent J, Christie,
Hello.
Christie B, Matt Ramage. We got Charlie B over there.
Getting ready to go dive, and if they have a fun time.
When you get in the water, you make
$200
sure you gotta pee right away because it's gonna be a little cold.
Next for the cheese curds. JC Traveler, right?
Bought some free cheese curds over here.
A nice little thing of cheese curds. I can't believe you guys are putting these down. Fresh curds right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna cheese factory, I know.
Get in the water. It's not on here, does it? Oh.
You're rolling.
All right.
You guys spit in your mask?
Ready to go find some stuff. Ed, where are we at today?
Today we're at the Menominee River between Menominee, Michigan, and Marinette, Wisconsin.
We got a whole crew at the Great Divide between Wisconsin and Michigan. The lures that will come here, I've been told this is the Bermuda Triangle of lures.
That's pretty much true.
That's good.
And safes and guns. My instructor found a gun out here recently.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, you never know what you'll find.
All right. Hey, a lot of bank robberies and lost walleyes, so we'll get after it.
I can't wait to get some beers after this.
Yeah. Yeah, well, appreciate you taking me out.
No, man, it's worth it.
Mine's on, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm not an instructor.
Just a dude being a dude.
Just a guy.
I don't have the patience, man.
I gotta pee. Right now. Let her rip.
So you want to not stir it up? Last time we were in the marina, Charlie's like, "Have I stirred it up?"
Oh, I stirred it up real good.
But there's current in here, so it'll take this stuff downriver.
I got two already.
You found one already? Yeah. Hey.
Right below the surface here.
Yeah, so it gets shallower out there again. You'll see some lures out there. Yeah, but right out there, Charlie, you start finding some stuff. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna stay over here because I can't. It's hard for me to go all the way down to the bottom. I'm floating too much.
I didn't give Ryan enough weight on his belt. I'm finding them though.
So believe it or not, there's fish in here, so they're stirring it up too. So if you see like a cloud of bottom kick up, it's because there's fish. You're scared of them. Are you good at holding your breath like 20 seconds at a time or something? 20? You can do 10 seconds, whatever.
I can do like a minute. I mean, when I'm not freaking out, you know, so.
The fish are not gonna hurt you.
Oh, I know. Walleyes?
That walleye sturgeon.
Oh, yeah.
Sturgeon are probably bigger than you.
I know.
Look at those kids. Not much luck. You guys look like you're having fun though.
We left our garbage bags, we're supposed to pick it up.
Ah. Woo.
You kind of want to come upriver because everything stirs down that way.
All right.
I got a few already.
What do you got in here? Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Here we go.
You can see them laying on the bottom.
Okay.
They're hooked into rocks and into logs and everything.
All right.
Right out here is where everybody gets stuck.
It's just hard for me to go down there because I'm so buoyant, even with the belt on. But I'll try.
Yeah, I felt sorry for Ryan after watching his footage.
I'm on the board.
We're on the board. Yeah, these were on the log with it.
Oh, cool. That's a nice pile. These lures sponsored by Nicolay Law. Fear the beard.
Ryan's struggle is real.
Looking good.
Right here?
Yeah, like right in this area, there'll be a bunch of rocks and stuff.
All right. Look at that, my first one.
Nice one.
Right? Oh my gosh.
RVB.
Wow. Dude.
Got some walleyes with that thing.
Yeah. This is sick. I can see why you get addicted to this.
Oh, and when you get handfuls of them at one time, it's just so fun.
Yeah. Well, you'll never guess what I did.
What?
Put it right in the hole.
We'll dive it down and get it again.
No, I know. I just thought you would find that amusing. How badly I can fuck What's up?
I do it too all the time.
I stirred her up. Well, Ed, this is my constant pursuit to not disappoint you. So far,
You're doing all right, man. You don't disappoint me.
you got it.
I'm gonna try to not throw it in the hole. I usually have like golf balls plugging those holes up. There's 3 of them. And now 4. I dropped that one. There's 4 of them right here. The appearance is getting a little bit, huh?
Are you in the same spot? Like current getting you now. Oh yeah. Oh, these little lizard doodads are good. What do you got?
A blade bait. Nice shiny one.
Oh yeah, nice. You know, you never think about a current till your ass is right in it.
The more the current is up there, and if we move over there, there'll be less current. Or if we go up this way, there'll be less current also. And there's some bigger rocks over here. There's more lures up on the corner.
See nothing?
Oh, I just got like 5.
God, dude.
You want to wear this BC so you can breathe underwater?
Thanks, pal.
Hey, no problem, man. So,
Oh, all right.
there we go.
All right, Ed. Gonna do you proud, okay?
Get it?
Log. No lures on it. See log. What do you got? Oh, there you go.
That's the water.
Nice. Is this logs right out here too, or?
Yeah, there's a big log ice falling on the bottom right here.
Oh, I can feel it. Jay, you're cleaning house, brother.
Huh?
You're looking good. Some nice ones in there. Should we see how those guys are doing?
You find it, Eddie?
Yeah, a bunch. Really? Jay found a whole load.
Dang.
Yeah, Jay found like 10 or 12 already. Nice ones.
We're gonna have to go up to the point up here.
Yeah, we just found them on some logs over here.
Just sitting in the dirt here.
Holy.
Yeah. They're just laying.
Not even hooked on anything?
No, because the current, people lose them up there and the current kind of drops them down over here. But there'll be some more rocks up there.
I just been feeling the logs with my feet.
Whoa! Couple 2-3 more from Charlie. There you go.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let me know if you want this back right now.
You to do it.
All right, I'll do one more run and give back to you.
No, dude, stay with it, man. I'm finding them just the way I'm doing what I'm doing.
All right. Well, thank you.
I'm not going to make you drive all the way and not give you a BC.
Next time I'm gonna buy one of these things.
Charlie, if you stay right along about 50 feet offshore, right in here, you'll find a bunch of them.
Okay.
LJ Shad XDR 80F, whatever that means.
There's one. Got a clamp too.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo! Rip and wrap. Gotta be a couple more down here. Oh, I feel something there. All right, that'll work. This rip and wrap brought to you by Nicolay Law. You're welcome. Ooh, it's factory colored even. I like it.
Yeah, there's some right down here.
Ooh, okay.
You're all fogged up. Go like this, put the water in there. There you go. I can see better. I just farted.
That'll warm you up if you get your pants.
Do you pee in your wetsuit yet?
Oh, yeah.
Right away.
Oh,
I was holding it, man.
Jay, did you pee in your wetsuit yet?
Jay's freaking cleaning up.
Oh, I'm peeing right now, actually. I can't hold
I
it.
should probably get away.
The current's kind of like swirling around here, so.
Yep, I'll swallow it. Make sure I hit the warm stuff.
Let's get some lures. Charlie's out in the current over there. Bye, Charlie.
I just don't want to drown you again.
Oh, good Jay. You bought a pliers too?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of pliers is that?
Just a cheap one.
Huh. We gotta catch up with them, Charlie.
Am I f***ing losing?
No, we're losing. It looks like they're beating us here.
All right.
All this rocks here, they're all over. I almost ran into Charlie face to face, scared the f out of me.
You gotta watch out for Charlies.
Thought he was a big sturgeon. Yeah, Ryan Ruebl and Charlie Berens scuba diving at the same time.
Well, would you look at
Look at that. This current's really don't like you.
But it's a workout.
Yeah.
But I find so many out here, a lot, and there's still a bunch in here. But you just got to be able to look at different angles.
Yeah, you kind of have to look around the rocks, right?
Yep, and it helps when the sun's out, of course.
Then you got Jay over there just crushing it.
Yeah, he's crushing it.
I know, I stepped on him. All of a sudden I felt a tug on my leg. I was like, oh shit, I found a body. That one's living.
Jay's crushing it. You ever hit yourself?
No, not yet.
I was just checking.
I mean, there's always a chance.
All right.
Sorry about that. How you doing? I'll get it.
There's a couple of ripping rafts right where you're standing.
I just dropped one. All right, I'll look. Sorry about that. Did I go over you?
That's all right.
Was that my fault? Yeah. Well, I just don't want to drown you again.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Redeem my streak of not finding them. You swallow any water yet?
Nope.
That's good, because you'll probably have diarrhea for 3 days. All that walleye semen in here.
I spit it out. Good to know.
Jay's out there crushing it.
Just minding his own business.
Yep.
Nice little guy.
You guys want to start heading back that way?
Yeah.
How many you find? You got about 50? I just can't. I'm floating too much. Well, I found a few. Not as many as you.
Oh, you got a nice ripping raft.
Yeah. Pretty sick. What you said about it, like looking around at things, because I was just like, if I don't see them, they're not there, you know.
Dang, look at that.
Yeah, usually I found like a couple hundred. But it's something.
Yeah, no, it's not bad, dude. It's a whole freaking tackle box, my guy.
It's like a $25 lure.
Ed got a $25 lure.
Let me see that. Oh yeah,
They don't really make them anymore.
you put these in the videos before, haven't you?
I think I've had it before. But this, yeah, this is like $8 in the store. This is a $10, $11 lure. I'll sell this for $6, sell this for $5. $8 lure right here, I'll sell for $5. So it's like 5, 10, 50, 40.
Yeah, it's a good day.
Look what Jay did though. He crushed it.
That's a little bit better, Nate.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, Jay kept quiet and just kept hauling it.
Golf ball too.
I hit the honey holes.
Yeah, tailless. Nice. Oh gosh, a Leatherman.
Not 11, it's just a cheap one.
Wow,
Well, you're supposed to be better than nothing.
pretty sweet.
That's the one that Ryan's got.
Oh yeah, good for you, Ryan.
Yeah, I was floating too much, so.
You working with him too?
Yeah.
Or do you just like his
Well, he
stickers?
sponsors me.
That's great.
Just start heading back and look for lures.
Alright.
Getting out, Jay? Okay. I've had enough.
My leg's starting to cramp.
Score. One was on a log, and then one was just chilling, and then that sucker's been getting after it for a while.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's what's sitting on her. Well, that's all we got. I think Jay and Ryan beat us.
Well, shoot. You know, they cheated.
They cheated. They said they got you
No, they Ryan was out here scouting before.
Bunch of cheaters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can't do that.
And you can bring all these bastards I found.
That's funner than the marina, I guess.
That was, you know, you can't pick the weather. Tangled up here.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, oh, hang on. Well, thanks for letting me take your air, dude.
I totally forgot to bring all that extra stuff from last time.
I'm gonna get one. We got more than we got in Sheboygan.
Yeah, that's for sure.
And a little bush light can. How's about it?
You want a bush light?
Yeah, no, I'll pass. That's why I stick with the Miller products there.
Right.
Oh my gosh. That is fun. It's cold.
Yeah, it is. Good.
Yeah.
Where's Jay at? He's got all the lures over there.
Yeah, he's hiding the good ones.
All right. It's not a bad haul right there. I would like to say at least 4 of those were mine.
I'd think more than that, Charlie. You did a pretty good job.
I don't know. Do we have a clear winner and loser here?
Well, it was Team Ryan and Team Jay.
Yeah.
No, they're the winners.
So I feel like we're partially winners too.
You guys were team stand at the shore.
What's up, guys? Just got done diving here in the Menominee River today with Charlie Berens. Good job out there.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
I see all these lures that you got today.
Yeah, they're all mine. Definitely not anybody else.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
not Ryan. I think Ryan pulled a couple.
I got a few of these, and I think one in here, especially this one right here, would make a really good earring for your brand new mermaid.
Oh,
that you
yeah.
just hooked up with. Or
Well, look at those
with.
earrings.
I like that.
Wasn't that one?
Matt over here.
Matt knows
Yeah.
magic.
I didn't do nothing today. I didn't know why I'm here.
You're rooting for us out there.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm picking up garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, man.
It's a good time.
Never seen anything like that.
We got Silent J over here, and I think that Silent J actually won today and got most of the lures. He found some pliers here. I did find this Bush Light can here. With
Oh, and a Titleist. You got yourself a nice little Titleist. 4.
that'd be worth a buck or two, eh?
Yeah.
But one of the coolest finds today for me was this Clacking minnow here, 09. Worth some money right there. But altogether, a couple of lures, nice. Get you guys in the background there.
Oh, yeah. And it's like a fish pick, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I like that.
All right.
All right, I'm freezing
Fun
my
time.
pecker off.
Just catching pneumonia, no big deal.
I want to feel some cold
He's
freaking
shaking.
hands.
He's shaking.
Yeah, I don't blame him. That's what hypothermia does.
How are your pee feet?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Looking pretty silly there.
Standing in urine. This isn't the first occasion.
How about we go back to my place, see how many divers we can fit in my shower.
I like
Sounds
that.
like a
I'm
war
not a
idea.
diver. I gotta go.
Tip shot. Cheers to Grandma.
Dude, that's awesome, man. That's so cool.
We're gonna have to do some tip shots later.
Yeah,
to
let's
Grandpa
do a tip shot. Oh, yeah, man.
Shot glasses.
Oh, dude, thank you very much. Appreciate that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Last one's out, the rotten egg.
Thank you, Timmy.
Oh, you not you did.
Good job, Tim. You gonna park and come on in?
Sounds good.
Yep.
I had planned this out for months in advance, and I'm so happy that it worked out well. All the people that I asked to be there were there. The mayor of Marinette even came out to say hi to all of us, the police chief, the fire chief, and several others. I'm currently in the process of booking some more collaborations like this with fun people like Charlie, Ryan, Matt, Christie, and Silent J. Special thanks to the Tasty Traveler for the awesome cheese curds, the Rail House, the great food, and to Tim from Living Large Limousine.